Hello everyone, welcome to the fresh video of Saswat Codes where we gonna see whether AI gonna take our jobs or not. So like what we have know from the fact that GitHub has launched its own new AI based code, automatic code generator that is Copilot. So there are a lot of rumors around it, there are a lot of discussions around it, and today we're gonna see whether it is going to take our jobs or not, or how helpful it is for students or the work persons or for the agents who are there who needs less time to generate more code, or how it is beneficial for startups. All we are going to cover in this single video. Also we're gonna test the Copilot first, then we will jump over the discussion. So tune in into the video. So first let's see and check what Copilot is and how it works and where this Copilot is going to work. So I have applied for the Copilot for the technical preview and luckily I have got it very soon. So here it is, and I have installed it in my VS Code. So it is going to be an extension in VS Code. So all those who are going to get the technical preview of this Copilot, they're gonna get it as the extension of the VS Code. So obviously it is a Microsoft product, so obviously we are going to use it in a Microsoft product also. So this is what the first preview is, and there is nothing much written here, although we know what is. So in simple, it is going to write the code automatically. Just we have to give some hints to the command or to the Copilot, then automatically it will generate the whole code. So let me enable it, and yes, it is now globally enabled. Now I have, for the testing purpose, I have taken 4 use cases, like in Python, in JavaScript, in Java, and in HTML. So let me write some code, like a simple code. Let me test, like add 2 numbers. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. Now whenever I will go to this and I will just write def. So okay, here you go. The whole, you can see it, the whole code is there. Like, okay, it's a simple, it is a simple, very simple for the, like, to do the stuffs. But now we wanna check, like create to linked lists. Okay, so I don't know whether it's gonna create or not, but let me check def. Completely, it got the whole code for the linked list. Like, I will just enter tab and here you go, you got the whole linked list in a second. So it is completely amazing. Like, for me it is new and I have never tested anything like this. I have heard that it is going to come, and but I don't know where it I thought that it will be a product for where people will buy this product, but it is free for now, as of now, and me being a student, I am testing it, so it is a great thing. Now let's go to JavaScript and do this thing. Like, I will just let's go for a survey form. Like, okay, whether it is thinking or anything. Actually, I think GitHub should give a loading type of button here, like here, so that we can get the, like, whether it is thinking or not. Okay, I am not getting anything. Like, let me check if it is okay. So it is giving some hints, like if I, okay, here you go. It generates a random code, not what we need or what we get. It generates a random code. Like, now there is nothing. I don't know what it does, but I think let's do the same. Add 2 negative numbers. Okay, now I will wait some time. Let's see what it does. Let me take var. Okay. Now it given two numbers, let's say, then it will give the, so here you go. It is only tab and next, nothing else. Now I think the same will be also there in the Java also. Let me just comment the thing and I'll give R2 numbers. And okay, it generate the test class. Actually, one thing I will notice that it is getting the same class name as given. So it is not like, because I have seen some of the auto code things, like it usually generates the class as the main class, as naming as class main, but it generates the of its own class. Like, then I will take the enter. Okay, it's got done. Here you go, small and simple. Here you go, and done. So the whole code is here. Like, nevertheless, the whole code is here. Like, even if I will go to HTML and I will write, like, let's say portfolio website. Usually a portfolio website is a developer thing. Like, we need a portfolio website for every developer, like whatever, whether we are a ML stuff or we are a good at Python, but we need a sort of portfolio website for our resume or for our job. So let's see whether, okay, it started giving the hints, like, okay, I will let Codex. It start giving the head. Okay, it also given the title. There is a bug, I think, I don't know, because it is predicting the title, but I am not getting the title. Maybe if I will go to title little bit, it will go into title. And okay, given the title, I need to go back from here, and it also given the meta tags, given the viewport. Okay, it is importing the style.css, but it is not there in my code base. It is not there in my repository, the style.css, but it is linking to it, thinking that I must be there or it might be there. So okay, it closed the header tag. Now it will enter the body. So I will just speed up the video right now. Okay, so here you can see that it has created some random thing. This is a given that a portfolio website created into HTML says JavaScript, but later on it gave the index.php home, and later it is simple right now. I think it is randomly taking some of the things from the GitHub, like XYZ repositories thing, and it directly putting in our code. It is doing that because whenever I tried before a portfolio website, it was like 200 line code base, but now it is only in 24 lines. So let's test this out. Okay, as said, it is a simple looking web page, nothing else, but it is predicting, like it is working. Now it is a beta version, but it is working. So now, as you have seen the things, how Copilot works and how it is automatically generating the code for ourselves. Now let's move on to a next section where we will discuss about how it is going to be helpful for us, for industries, for startups, and for everyone else. So okay, till now we have tested the Copilot and how it works in different test cases, like let's say Python, let's say JavaScript, let's say Java, or let's say HTML also. We have tried some simpler versions, not so complex, but I know it is going to work, and we will make other video for it also. Now for the discussion purpose, I hope I will keep it in the next video so that we can have discussion of how it will helpful for students, how it will helpful for the startups or the software engineers or the big commercial products, or those who need help directly or need help in the code bases, which can automatically generate the code and they don't need to type a lot of things. So in the next video we will cover the rest of the thing, and the actual discussion we will have that will AI take our jobs. So to subscribe to the channel and check the link in the description, I have written a blog about it also, describing my views, and do subscribe and follow me on GitHub as well as on Instagram, where I give regular feedbacks. I regularly give updates and like that. So thank you so much for tuning into the video. See you in the next video.